Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we'll receive a package directly from Infiray Labs. We are going to be reviewing and unboxing the new thermal camera T2S Plus. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video. Let's remove this plastic to find out what we have inside this box. Right. Alright, here we have the box and let's open it up. Boom. Alright, we have a little manual right here. I think we can find the instruction on a different language. We find the instruction also on English, which is probably the one we're gonna use. We have a QR code, and also this app is available on the App Store and Google Play, which we're gonna be using Google Play. The newer iPads use a Type-C connection on the bottom, so we can use it also for the Apple devices, not for an iPhone, regular iPhone though. All right, enough talking. We got this. We got a little certification. All right, we have a cable. We have a little cable. I believe is the one extension for this phone holder that we got. I believe it's gonna be the cable extension we're gonna need to use this holder to use the camera better. So I like this product already. That's gonna be the cable. All right. What else we have? We have the camera itself that comes nicely packed on this little pouch. We can open it up. And voila! Wow! That's the camera itself. Wow! To be honest with you, it's a lot smaller than I thought, but it's a pretty nice and compact design. That's my first thought on this camera. As you guys can see, nice little color right here, yellow and black. And that's the lens itself. Let's see if we can read. It's a extreme 256 by 192. There we go. And 12 there we go. That's the camera itself. And just to show you guys, this is some padding and nothing else comes in the box. That will be it for the unboxing of the camera. We can put it right here. You see, well, what we got on the package was this box, the camera itself, the cable extension, and manual. So that's probably it's gonna be our thumbnail. We can put it like this. Forgot to left out the little pouch. We can leave it like that, like that. And we have our holder right here. That could be our thumbnail. I used before thermal cameras, obviously. That's why they sent me this to do honest review, which we always do on our channel. So here we go. We got this, and we got our Android phone. Let's grab the manual so you know we start fresh and we follow the rules. We're gonna go to our Google Play Store I have right here, Google Pixel phone. We're gonna type search. The way the manual says, we gotta download that one, Xterm. Took too long right there. So we're gonna install it. We're gonna just continue. Okay. Alright, we're gonna wait for it to install and we're gonna open it. Sorry, this phone is in Spanish for some reason. I don't know. Okay. We're gonna click on open. So now I just installed the app and I open it back in, and it says, you see, this is up to you. Allow external infrared to take pictures and record video. I give you three options while using the app, which I would be the one recommending everybody, while like allowed it only while you're using the app, so it doesn't do any weird changes in the future. It's only this time. It could be another one, so it will if you choose the second one, it will ask you this again, obviously. And don't allow I don't think it's gonna even let you use the app. So I'm gonna go for while using the app. There we go. Same thing with the audio. Record audio while using the app. Only this time or not allowed. You can always use only this time. It will ask you again. But anyway, while using the app, allow to access photos and media on your device. I mean, obviously you have to allow it if you want to save it. All right. Now we have a blank screen. Nothing is happening. At this point, we gonna just insert the camera. Let's go ahead. Let's see if it works right away. All right, I heard a noise. And it says always open external infrared when the T is connected. Yeah, of course. Yeah, open it. Okay, always when it's gonna. Yeah. There we go. And voila! We can see something already on the screen. There we go. You guys can see that's my hand. I'm just playing around here with the camera. Oh, look right here. We got the white hat, which is the one we are using right now. We got the then we got the black hat. That would be. Oh, look. It showed in a different pattern if the heat, where the heat is coming from. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's go. Iron Rainbow. Woohoo! That's the one most of the people use. I mean, obviously, it would be the one I use. Yeah, you know, I like the menu already. I like the settings. So there we go. Whoa, that's glowing rainbow heat. Yeah. Look what my t-shirts are like. The difference. I start to like this camera. I think I'm gonna have to use it more often. All right, then we have Rainbow HC. Oh, that's the one. Wow, whoa! It show the colder and the warmer areas. Very detailed. That's more the Predator look than the other one. Here we have obviously my motherboard don't have anything connecting right now. We're gonna test soon. We're just playing with the settings right now to show you guys. We got the regular rainbow, like pinkish. It shows the heat on a pink and a pink tone. There we go. Iron gray, which okay, there we go. It's not much different from that one. Give you so many different settings right here, guys. It's so many different settings that you can play with, save it. Auto shooter, which could be good. You can change the language. Oh, that's pretty good. It has 3 different languages right here. Give you some info about the camera. So just to go back, we have the different languages, the watermark, which I turn it on. Oh, watermark. Look, I just realized it. The watermark, it will give you on the video, it will show you the branding. When you record, you're gonna have a watermark. All right, guys, we're gonna try the camera. We're gonna mount it in this hand holder. So I guess we're going to first install the camera, just like so. Gonna open this up. All right, there you go. Gonna adjust this. Then we're going to put our phone in there. Make sure you don't block it. We have the volumes right here. We have this cable extension. It's gonna go from the camera to your phone, just like so. And probably the app is gonna pop out. There you go. It's pop out because obviously we're using it. Even when you work like in a motherboard, it's easier, you know, like maybe trying to find the motherboard like that. We're gonna try those in the outside. All right, let's go to the outside and see how this one works. All right, guys, after playing a little bit with the camera and also using the adjustment lens that comes obviously integrated on the camera, just to like zoom in and zoom out, we can clearly see the difference. As you guys can see, all these birds, you see, on those electric cables, because the different temperature on the ground is going to be a little more difficult to see them, because the variation, the ground is pretty hot, it's pretty warm at this time of the day. We can clearly see and spot any movement they do now, which is pretty incredible. Oh, look at that, look, it's so beautiful in the sky. So we can create a much better content if we are like to do some maybe nighttime recording of animals or any other thing related to heat. Good, this adjustment, we can focus the lens and give us even a pretty clear view of the landscape. Alright, back again. Now we're gonna do a quick test on this iPhone 7 Plus, which is an older model, but it's something that I have laying around and I can show you right away. So let's begin with the test. First, let me just do some video taping right here of the device. I'm gonna do it directly into the phone, by the way. Let me see. Okay, we're taping now, and let me try to focus on the motherboard. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna inject power into this motherboard. We have shorter component on this motherboard. So with this camera, we're gonna identify which is the component that is creating the problem. So why the phone won't turn on this case. It has the short circuit, how we call it, on this iPhone 7 Plus. Okay, now we're gonna inject power into this board. Oh, right away we see some heat coming from this side. Let's see how close we can go. I like that detail on this camera. I can see every single component on it. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. We can see something in this area right here. This is not such a crowded area of components, but and this, you see, we can go probably and change the temperature. Okay, you see how detailed is out of those two pairs right there, the one on the bottom and on the left corner. That's the one giving me the problem. I'm gonna just do one more time right here. I can leave it running and maybe it's gonna burn along with the phone. Obviously this is not a working motherboard, just for the test. Okay, now we have the temperature at 400 degrees top, from 120 to 400 degrees Celsius. We're gonna change it, and now it's more sensitive to the heat. As you guys can see, it's gonna just blow up. Look, oh wow, I can even see the numbers right there. Wow, look, oh my god, this is incredible camera, guys. Look at the detail on this board. This camera, I'm telling you, I'm not using a macro lens or anything. What you see here is what you get. That's an iPhone 7 right there. We have other motherboards right here, but I don't want to mess them up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the SICK. I have the SICK installed in my iPhone right here, and this is the footage that I get on the SICK. You can see the image is a little blurry, a little pixelated, I could say. It's not neat like this image right here. Is less pixels going on, which is that one right there. I made a video for this camera. You guys can see it too. That's the SICK. So you guys can see it's a little more pixelated. If we try to focus right here, for this one you can get a macro lens. I mean, this is the footage I'm gonna provide for you guys later. There you go. That's about the best I can get out of this one. Let me go ahead and inject power, and I'm gonna see how it looks. It kind of give you an idea what it is. I'm gonna compare that footage that I'm taking right now. I think I can put it in a different color. Oh, there we go. That would be more accurate. Let's see. Whoa. So that's how it looks. That would be the same color the other one is on. To compare the heat on this one, you see, when it showed me exactly the point right there, the area where the heat is actually coming from. Instead of this one, it showed me just a wider area. Even if I let it for longer, it just keep hitting the whole thing. I mean, oh, I would say like this show me the whole area where the heat is happening. Instead of this one, it showed me the accurate place where that heat is coming from, and it's not increasing by the time being. It keeps being there. So I would say this camera, the infrared, it has better temperature detection to detect exactly where that heat is coming from. Instead of like if the heat happen, the whole area will be like warming up due to the heat surrounding it. I bought this one a long time ago. This is probably new technology, so that will be a plus because it has a better technology than this. But that would be it, guys. That would be it for the infrared camera. Hope you guys like this video. I hope I covered most of the stuff. This one I repeat again, this one comes for Type-C connection. So you guys can see this holder was sent to me, but I'm not sure if that comes when you purchase the camera. Obviously, it will tell you on the description. If you guys want to check it out, check infiray.com. Also, I will leave the link in the description down below. There is more product like this that can suit your needs. We're gonna end this video right here, guys. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And for more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys back on the next video.